Hello students, welcome back to the new video. In the last two videos, we have learned about autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. In today's video, we will study two important experiments. The first one is starch test in leaves, and in the second one, we are going to show that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Students, you know that green plants make their food by photosynthesis using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Students, do you know what plants do with this sugar or carbohydrate? They utilize that for their growth and other life processes, and the extra food is converted into starch. So, today we are going to study one experiment to show that the leaves contain starch or starch is present in the leaves. That is starch test in leaves. To do this experiment, we need some apparatus and materials. First of all, let us see what are the apparatus we need for doing this experiment. So, the first one is beaker. A beaker is used for boiling water. Second, test tube. Test tube is used for boiling the alcohol. Third one is Bunsen burner. It is a heating apparatus. Any heating apparatus we can use which is available easily in our area. Then forceps. Forceps are used for removing the hot things from the hot water. Tripod stand. It is a stand used for keeping the beaker. Wire gauze is a iron net which is kept over the tripod stand so that we can keep the beaker on it safely. Then petri dish. Petri dish is a glass plate which is used for keeping the leaf. Dropper. Dropper is the filler-like tube which is used for dropping the iodine. Next, materials. First one is leaf. You know that for doing this experiment, we need a healthy leaf which is taken from a plant which is exposed to sunlight for few days. Then water, alcohol, usually we use ethanol or even pure spirit can be used. Then iodine. Iodine you all are familiar with. Iodine is a chemical used for starch test. Now let's see the procedure of doing this experiment. Students, in the previous classes you have learned that iodine solution can be used to test the starch in materials like bread, rice, potato, etc. When we pour iodine solution in it, its color changes. When the color changes into bluish black color, we can say that this materials contains starch. Here also we are going to do the same test, but the green plants contain chlorophyll which is green in color. When we pour iodine solution on green leaf directly, the color change cannot be seen clearly. So we need to remove the chlorophyll. For removing the chlorophyll, we have to do the following steps. And this process of removing the chlorophyll from green leaf is called as bleaching. So, let us start with the first step of doing this experiment. So, first of all, take some water in a beaker and boil it by keeping on a Bunsen burner. Then, keep the healthy leaf in that boiling water for about 3 minutes. Students, do you know why we keep this leaf in the boiling water? If you touch the leaf, we can see that it is quite rough. To make that leaf smooth, we are keeping it in the boiling water. Now, after that, take that leaf using a forceps from the boiling water and place it in a test tube. Then Pour alcohol in the test tube till the leaf is completely immersed. And then keep the test tube containing alcohol and leaf in the boiling water. Here again, we have to take some precaution. Never boil the alcohol directly. Do you know why? Alcohol is highly inflammable. It catches fire very easily. Then why do we boil it in the alcohol? Yes, there is a very strong reason for that. We have learned that chlorophyll is green in color. If we pour iodine on it, the color change will not be seen clearly. So, to remove the chlorophyll from the leaf, we are boiling it in the alcohol. Now, when we keep test tube containing leaf in the alcohol in the boiling water, slowly we can see that the color of the alcohol changes and it becomes green. When the color becomes green and the leaf becomes completely colorless, we should remove it from the boiling water. Now, using a forceps, remove the colorless leaf carefully and wash it using the tap water. Again, why should we wash the leaf with tap water? Children, when we boil it in the alcohol, some particles of the alcohol can be present on the leaf. If we use that leaf directly for starch test, again we may not get the complete and clear result. So to remove the particles of alcohol completely, we have to wash it with the tap water. Now after washing it clearly, place it in a clean petri dish. Petri dish is the glass plate in which we can drop the iodine using a dropper. Now after dropping the iodine, what color change we will be able to see? The colorless leaf will turn into bluish black color. The change in color shows that the green leaves contain starch, because we have already learned that iodine is the chemical that can change the color when it reacts with the starch. Therefore, the starch present in the leaf react with the iodine and change into bluish black color. This proves that green leaves contain starch. So students, what are the precautions to be taken while doing this experiment? First one, never boil alcohol directly. It catches fire easily. Second, handle the heating apparatus and boiled water very carefully, as it can burn our skin. Now let us study the second experiment to show that sunlight is needed for photosynthesis. For that we need a potted plant, 2 strips of black paper and paper clips. Take one potted plant which is exposed to sunlight for few days. Cut out 2 strips of black paper and keep it on 2 healthy leaves using paper clips. Again leave the pot in the sunlight for 2 to 3 days. After 2 to 3 days, take that healthy leaves which is covered with the black strip. Take only one. The second one, let it be there in the plant itself. In that leaf, do the starch test. For doing the starch test, we have to follow all the steps that we have learned in the first experiment. After doing the iodine test, we can see that the part of the leaf which is covered with the black strip is not turned into blue-black, and the other part of the leaf is turned into blue-black. Students, what does it shows? The part of the leaf which is covered with black strips does not receive sunlight and hence not prepare the starch. This shows that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Again, from the potted plant, remove that black color from the leaf and keep it in the sunlight for 2 to 3 days. After 2 to 3 days, do the starch test with that particular leaf. You can see that the complete leaf has turned into bluish black color. This shows that once when it is exposed to the sunlight, the same leaf has started to prepare the starch. This again shows that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Students, these two experiments are a part of the extended learning in your course. Students, I hope you have understood both the experiments properly. Still, if you have any doubt, please write it in the comment section. I will try to solve it in my next video. Here are some review questions. Please solve it in your notebook. Thank you.